What are we? Better than that. We picked the home of the Seahawks. We have the loudest stadium in the NFL. You gotta be louder than that, okay? We're gonna start all over. What are we? There we go. Loud and proud. One team, one goal. What leads the way? Hey, I love it. I appreciate you guys for doing that. So right now I want to call up the unified team. If they can just come up here to the front here. And I also need the lady in the blue tie-dye t-shirt. Sorry, I had to call you a tie-dye t-shirt because I didn't get your name. But I think you had a special announcement.
So before we get to the big thing, I just need to acknowledge the one, she's gonna hang before this, but we gotta acknowledge the one person. This is the reason why we have Unified. Now look at her. For years, for a couple of years we didn't have a program at all, and she fought so hard to bring it in this building and build it up. And I know she's been a champion of a lot of people here, so if you guys could all give that to Ms. Rachel.
Thank you, Mrs. Rachel. And so before we do the countdown, in my role with Special Olympics, I travel all over the country trying to get our Unified Champion Schools model into our urban inner city schools and school districts. And I know we're not supposed to maybe single people out, but two of my favorite people to see doing this work are at the school. So I want Izzy and Lizzie to come out. I'm sure you guys know that this is the coolest chick in the building right here. Like her rock is cool, her style is cool, the music she listens to is cool, following her on social media is cool, so she does a lot of cool stuff, and I don't see a lot of that across the country. So just for 1 second, let's give these two a round of applause. Alright, so now we're gonna, I think you guys better go grab the cord over here. Cord. We got it together. And then we're going to, as you know that, we're going to do a countdown. 3, 2, 1.
So it's the blue and the white.